Hey guys, how's it going? Basically today I'm gonna show you how to get or how to use invite code in TikTok. So first of all, go ahead to your TikTok and make sure that you update it to the latest version. Open up the TikTok, right? Make sure that you're eligible because this feature is available, to certain regions, very limited regions. So go ahead and click your profile icon at the bottom right, and then what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead and click the three bars at the top right, and you're gonna see right here balance, right? Balance or coins, basically you're gonna be able right here to see it, right? And basically, as you can see, I don't have a coin or rewards or whatever. On TikTok, the ability to invite friends to earn rewards such as coins or points is typically part of a promotional campaigns like the TikTok rewards program. The requirements for participation can vary depending on the region and the campaign. So basically, as we said before, make sure that you updated the app. Secondly, go to the three bars at the top right, and then balance, right? And you're gonna be able to see the invite link appearing in that section or appear in the coins section right here, right? So basically right here it says recharge, so you need to basically get coins in order to cash out. And if you're eligible, you're gonna be able to get the invite link. You'll be provided with a referral link or code to share with others. Typically you get to find it right here. Both you and the invited person benefit when they sign up using your code. If you're not seeing this feature here, it might not be available in your region, just like myself, or your account may not meet specific requirements for the program. TikTok doesn't usually require a large follower count for these features, focusing more on general account engagement. So if you're eligible, click the three bars at the top right, and then click balances, and then you're gonna be able right here to see a referral link generated by TikTok itself, right? And you can see right here first coin purchase offer, right? You're gonna be able right here to see that they make a lot of offers to buy coins. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.